looking forward for this Christmas season, syempre, magsama-sama ang buong pamilya.
I'm looking forward for this Christmas season talaga is yung family bonding.
So, I'm looking forward talaga this year. Though every year talaga is makomplete yung family ko.
So yan, for this Christmas, I'm looking forward na makasama ko yung family ko.
Kasi watak-watak kami ngayon eh. Nandiyan sa ibang bansa yung kapatid ko, nandito yung dalawa kong kapatid. So, watak-watak. Ang gusto ko lang eh magsama-sama kami lahat ngayong Pasko.
More on kay family bonding kasi yung family namin minsan lang talaga magsama-sama for a season.
Since yung ate ko kasi nasa far away. So, medyo every Christmas lang siya. Or
Kasama ko yung family ko to celebrate with, and especially yung mga loved ones.
Bingo Plus.